Hi everyone, I'm Lynn. I'm the sales manager at Keewin, and I'm here at InfoComm 2026. And behind me, this is our 55 outdoor TV powered by webOS Hub. And for this one, we are offering it in 1000 nits of brightness. It is suitable for your garden, for pub, for any semi-outdoor environment. You can actually enjoy multi-resources powered by the webOS system. So we are having this special designed bezel and frame on the side to just give it a little bit vibe and aesthetics. And yeah, so if you are actually looking for more about this outdoor TV model, please visit www.keywin.com. Thank you.